up one more floor. So we get to the third floor, which was originally the top floor of the building. And you'll see that it has a lower ceiling as these two floors, as that's the floor dedicated to the staff. Obviously, nowadays they would have a much better view than anyone located on the lower floor. The staff would stay on the higher floors. Good view of the courtyard. So when this palace was built in the 14th century, this was all open. As you may have seen some of the ancient buildings, they usually have a courtyard with a well in the middle, all open. And then in the 1870s, they put in this glass roof, so they could also use the inner space.
This way?
Yes.
Also Four Seasons style.
So this one as well was already redone by Pierre Yves Rochon. There will be some changes to design, but let's say that the general idea will remain very similar. So a Venetian style, but a lighter Venetian style.
This room type, what is this?
This is a Dandolo Suite, so our entry level suite.
Dandolo Suite.
Now visitors be here, and the building where the terrace is located and where your pool is located was built in 1950s.
Beautiful.